From Gyawadde to trees on the visuals, Muchomo guy, Ausa, who keeps the house in order, my main Collins over here, and most of all, to everybody who works with us as a team at Babun Forest, from Bashi to Sebuya, Frank and Tambi, who runs our website, www.babunforestent.com. We want to know you guys hip hop workers. So guys, karaoke. Face sulo. Maybe you want. I'd like to thank everybody who has been working with you, living the dream of the forest. Most of all, everybody in the ecosystem. And in the ecosystem, I mean people like Kalanzi, Zedmo, Komutontomi, Taurus MC, Mr. J. Kerubanto, and the Atare who works with Bukit Direct. It's part of the forest, you get me? Everybody, Breezy Beats, Nanini Street Credits. Apart from this night is actually meant to be for us to enjoy ourselves. Sometimes rappers think that you need to be played on big TVs to make it. I'm of a different philosophy. I believe that we have the power to create our own systems, our own platforms, because we are a tribe that nobody understands. And yet elsewhere in the world we are the richest. How many miles do I report a daily? But remember, I was giving a lecture recently, which was about peer education, because I'm passionate about leadership and environment. But after all that I said, I was with my COO here. But after all that I said, the most important thing that the girls wanted to know was that skinny was a such. And I just said simply, Yabli Vakedo. True. But what I must say is that I believe that hip hop has the power to heal itself, to create communities, We are the only genre that can innovate.
Exactly.
Although I've never covered Germany, cover South Africa, none of them is original can say, let me create a rhyming Ruteso like trigger. You get me? Nobody says, let me represent my ancestors from Toro, my ancestors from Bunyoro. So the identity of the country is put in the hands of the poets and the storytellers. And when I think about Baboon Forest Entertainment, it's where our ancestors began. Muchibia, Batekanga Omulibale Batula Waneno. My brother from Acholi, let me see if he's around. My brother Sam will tell you that in Acholi culture, you sit around the Wango, but it's a Wango. Yeah. And that's why people learn. That's where Africans learn from the elders, from the young people. That's where you discuss issues in the community. So in the same spirit as a Pan-African artist, I believe that by inviting you all here, we're starting a new tradition, or reigniting a spark to something special, learning, creating solutions, and innovating, right? So if you choose to be a beggar, to be played on radio or TV, you're always going to be a beggar. But when you create your own platforms, you're a king. Or say that. So it's that strength and it's that word that I want to leave behind for you. Did you watch the movie Lion King? Who was the Lion King? Yodi. Do you remember the character was called Rafiki? What was he? He was a baboon, right? If you remember clearly, Rafiki raised Mufasa, right? And then Rafiki raised Mufasa's son, Simba. And at the end of the movie, goddamn Rafiki was still there, raising Simba's wife. So in Baboon Forest, we're not supposed to be kings. We're supposed to be people that facilitate the path of kings. When I see new kings being born every day, to me that's my joy. Because I believe that that is my purpose in life. And as a label, that is our purpose in life. To make sure that we make the road for kings easier. A new king is Jekyll Bando. A new king is Jekyll in production. It was not production in hip hop. There was never no young boy one day. We found our hip boy. We found our boy, Thomas MC Chumumoro. Again, we have Kalanzi over here, Zed Monk. We have Malin taking charge of photography. We have Trees Visuals. It's kind of videos now. We now have to Hollywood. You get me? We see big scandal in the news. I believe in the confidence of this cipher right here. We don't beg, we create opportunities. When they don't let you have a seat on the table, you make your own table. True. That's the philosophy of the forest. Welcome, a real goodbye, right? It's never a real goodbye until we thank a woman called Miriam Nsimbi. You know that? As in, what more can I say? There is Mars, there is Venus, there is GNL, there is Miriam. There's a woman, there's a man, there's day, there is night, there's a yin, there's a yang, there's poet, there's negativity, there is positivity, but right there in the middle, where the stars are lying at the pyramids point out, is where they find the symbiont, my world with ours. So I appreciate you for everything, for believing in my craziness and my dreams, and for always elevating. Again, we're always elevating each other. They say iron sharpens iron, right? True. This time, 2 candles make the room glow better, right? 2 brains put together think better than 1. And what could be better than 1? Is a question and a riddle that I leave to you. Koi? Yeah! See how for them you want. Yeah. Everybody sign me Gako. See how for them you want. But I'm about to sing a story and then he was standing in a panel. Alright.
Never